How to unlock Outlook account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock your Outlook account without needing a phone number. So this tutorial is simple, so keep watching. First of all, you have to open your favorite web browser and then go to Microsoft Outlook homepage by typing it into the search bar. And once you're there, click on the login or sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the login portal. Now, enter the email address followed by the password. From the options below, a forgot password, email code, and sign in with a different Microsoft account, you're supposed to click on email code to the specific account that your Outlook profile is associated with. Tap on it. A verification code will be sent to your Outlook email address, so check your emails and enter the code in the provided field. After entering the code, you will be directed straight to the Outlook website, and that's it. You've successfully unlocked your Outlook account without a phone number. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.